Hello students, it's Ms. Rickfelder again. I just wanted to touch base back with you about a couple of things for week 2. Welcome back, you made it through your first week. So the first thing I want to make sure that you are doing is when you log on to MyPassco Connect, you want to make sure to click on Office 365 before you start anything. So don't go immediately to My Learning, click on Office 365 first, and that'll make sure that you can see everything that should be loading and you have all of the functionality that you need to have for your lessons. Once you've done that, you can click on My Learning, and then it should look like this. I wanted to specifically show you how to navigate through this next module. So if you click on Modules, you should see week 2. If you click on 1.02, you're going to go through it right here. You want to make sure, notice that there are 8 separate pages. You want to make sure though that while you're going through the pages, that you are also clicking on all of the links and practice problems. So anytime you see a hyperlink, which is usually blue or green and underlined, you want to click on that so that you're watching all of it. So for example, you don't want to just read this sentence here and skip over the part that says watch this video to learn more about equivalent expressions. The video is going to be important. So once you watch through it, you can also read the text version if you prefer. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the lesson now. Let me get back to lesson 1. There's nothing to click in lesson 1, so you want to read everything. And then you go through lesson 2, you want to watch that. You want to click on all of the help things so that you can read through all of these notes and the caution and all of that good stuff. Now we're going to go ahead and go back. All right, and then down here, you'll go onto the 3rd page. So you'll see bases and exponents. You want to read the question. It says, what do you notice about the bases and exponents in the examples? Do you have a guess about the rule for multiplying powers? So based on that, you want to make a guess, and then you want to click the down arrow. So this is going to tell you all of that important information that's probably going to show up in your assignment. So you want to make sure that you're reading all of that. If you're not clicking these down arrows, then you're missing the majority of the important parts of the lesson. So then we have the product rule here, we have a caution here. Down here, you're going to see examples. Again, you should do this example on your paper, 6 to the 4th times 6 to the 5th, and you should have 6 to the 9th on your paper. Then click expand, check your answer with 6 to the 9th, and you're good to go. Then click on example 2, do the exact same thing again, check the answer, and you're good to go. So now you come down to the practice. You want to practice it on your own, check your work, and you're good to go. Make sure that you're clicking through all of these so that you can get all the practice and all the information before completing the assignment. So now we're on lesson 4. Lesson 4 gives you these little snippets of information. If you click on the audio,
to divide powers. For this problem, 4 to the 7.
It can explain it to you, or you can click on show text version and you can read it. It's up to you. Always make sure you're clicking on these underlined sections where it says more examples for expanded form. Always make sure that you're answering this question before you click the arrow down so that you can check your answer after you've had time to think about it. Hopefully this helps, and make sure that you're posting your discussion board questions for all the teachers to help you with, and good luck on your second week.